So for this exercise, we're going to take our form that we created earlier and code a feature query in CSS to configure grid layout to support browsers and you have browsers that don't support grid layout will be able to display the form as it was originally styled with CSS, and browsers that do support it will follow the grid layout styles. So we're going to create a new folder for 10.5. We're going to get our contact us folder. Take a look at it in Chrome. That's what we ended up with. Save as contact2.html. So here's all the code that we've already typed before. So right above our closing style tag, we're going to add a @supports, just like we've previously done for our display grid. Supports display grid. We're going to say our form display grid template rows, set to auto, grid template columns, 6em 1fr, grid gap 1em gap, forget my semicolon there, gap 1em, change our background color, set the font family, set the minimum width, set the width, and our padding. So that takes care of our form. Now also within this supports, we want to do the input type equals submit, grid column 2-3, width 10em, margin left at 0. And then that closes that. We save this, run it in Chrome, and now it has a much better look and feel to it. Don't make it too big apparently. Look and feel to it than we did right here.